In today's video, we'll talk about how you can fix WhatsApp file not being supported in your status or while you're sending it to a friend. Now, this might be due to various reasons. Some of it might be due to bugs, or some of it might be due to your file format actually not being supported. Now, to fix this, you can simply try and restart your phone or your iPhone, and then it should get fixed. But if it does not get fixed and you are on Android, you can go to your settings, you can go to your files, and then you can just change the name of your file, that is the video or photo, and then it should work. But if it still does not work, you can just go to your WhatsApp and just try and upload it again. And if it does work, let's see, and if it works, you're good to go. If it does not, try to uninstall your WhatsApp. If you just uninstall your WhatsApp and reinstall it again, it should work, and then you should be able to upload your status. That is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and then stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.